Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use Vlookup with columns. It's part 2. Here is a mark sheet where student name and their marks are given. When we use Vlookup with columns, we can get the amount from this mark sheet. If I select student name Hussein, Vlookup will get the amount from here. You can see here 56, 56, 40, 45 and 56. When I select the student name Imran marks are Urdu 45, English 93, Math 93, Chemistry 56 and Physics 46. I am getting these marks from these tables. How can we get these? By using Vlookup with columns. To understand, first understand the columns. What columns do? I just type is equal to and type columns and select this cell and press enter. It will display the one column. Columns function count the columns. If I select these two columns, it will display 2 columns. If I select 3 columns, it will display the 3 columns. Column function counts the column. Now I will use this function here. And I am using columns like these. Just type is equal to columns, press tab and select this cell B15 and type colon. It will automatically display B15 here as well. Just select this B15, first B15, just make it absolute by pressing F4 key and close the bracket and type +1. It will count the column 1 and +1. It means 2. It will display the columns 2 here. If I drag here on the right side, it will not change and it will change. It will select the 2 column and +1 and display the 3 column. Just press enter, and if I drag right here, now it will display the 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, 5 column and 6 column. Just delete it, and I will use in Vlookup function this column. Just remove it and type is equal to Vlookup, press tab key. What is the lookup value? Lookup value is student name, comma, table array is, what is the table array? This mark sheet. This is a table array. I am getting data from here, comma, column. By using column index number, I am using columns function. Press tab key and it will ask you the array. Just select Urdu B15 and type colon. It will automatically display the B15 as well. Select first B15 and press F4 key. By for freeze the cell and close the bracket and plus 1 comma, and it will ask you true for approximate match and false for exact match. I will select false value and close the bracket and press enter. It will display the Imran value 45 and I drag it to the right and automatically display this value 93 9. But I have given some mistake. Just double click here, absolute this reference as well, because when I drag it to the right it will change. Just press F4 key for absolute, for freeze the cell, and also this range as well. This is a range. Just press F4 key for absolute and press enter. Now drag it to right. Now I am getting 45, 93, 93, 56 and 46. If I select the student's Numan, it will display the Numan marks 98, 86, 68, 83 and 76. It is very good option to get the value from any table by using Vlookup with columns. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.